If your no-bake cheesecake bars always turn out too soft or kind of floppy, don't blink. I'm showing you the exact method for thick, creamy bars with clean slices plus a blueberry swirl and a salty crunch crust that tastes bakery level. Everything here is simple grocery store stuff, no oven, no gelatin. The texture magic comes from three things: a sturdy salty crust, a thick fruit ripple, and a little white chocolate in the filling so the bars set like a dream. Start by lining a 9x9 pan with parchment and leave overhang. That's your shortcut for lifting the whole slab out later, no messy digging. For the crust, you want fine crumbs with a little texture. Pretzels bring salty crunch, and cornflakes make it light but still sturdy. Pour in melted butter and mix until it looks like damp sand. If it holds together when you pinch it, you're right on track. Press it in firmly, especially the corners. A tight crust is what keeps the bars from crumbling when you cut them. Now the blueberry ripple. Simmer blueberries with a little sugar and lemon until jammy. Lavender is optional, but keep it subtle. You want wow, not perfume. Stir in the cornstarch slurry and cook just 30 seconds. This step matters. Thick ripple means pretty swirls, not purple streaks bleeding into the cheesecake. Optional but so good, toasted milk crumbs. Stir milk powder in butter with brown sugar until golden and nutty. It's like a brown butter cookie dust you sprinkle on top. Beat the cream cheese until it's completely smooth. This is where lump-free bars are made. If your cream cheese is cold, it'll fight you. Room temp wins. Now add powdered sugar, sour cream, vanilla, lemon zest, and a pinch of salt. This is what makes it taste like real cheesecake, not just sweet cream. Here's the pro move: a little melted white chocolate. It doesn't make it taste like candy, it just helps the filling set so the bars slice cleanly. Fold in softly whipped cream. Don't overmix, you want thick and creamy, not airy like mousse. This texture is what gives you that dense but silky bite. Spread the filling, then drop on cooled blueberry ripple and swirl lightly. A few big swirls look prettier than overmixing the whole top. Chill at least 6 hours overnight is best, then slice with a hot, clean knife. Finish with toasted milk crumbs. For the full recipe and all the tips, check the link in the first pinned comment or go to no-bake-desserts-lab.com.